Hey now, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another banger, y'all. So today's video is going to be on this beautiful classic red lip and this like dramatic gray, white, and brown. I couldn't speak through the tutorial because I don't know what is going on with my microphone. Something that is going on with my microphone. I have to figure it out. I don't know. Either I'm gonna have to send it back or whatever case may be, it needs to be fixed so I could do talk throughs. I loved the Anastasia base. I think I'm going to start using it so that I won't use all of my Plouise base. If you are ever wondering for like an alternative, definitely try this base right here because it actually is really bomb. It did actually dry. It did get dry, but I mean, versus this side versus from this side, and it was way brighter too. So if I use a brighter Plouise base, maybe I could have did a comparison like that. 3 is pretty bright. It's just that it wasn't white like this. I would love if they came out with more color tones, you know, because well, they could still use it, but some people would love for the base to be a little darker. But overall, the base is really good. Really enjoy using this base. I really enjoy using this one. Next base up is going to be Helen E base versus Plouise base. This base is really good too. So if you're looking for any other base, a base that you go pick up in stores really quick, because these two you have to order online. You can pick up the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. It's bomb. It's bomb. Y'all seen the tutorial. I'm gonna keep you long because I am tired. I did stay up to do this look, y'all. I had to get a look out to y'all. But if y'all want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. I'm here with my little pup right here. But it's something wrong with my mic. I don't know. So I'm gonna find that out later. What's going on? But as of now, while it's on, I'm gonna talk to you all. I'm going to do battle of the bases. So I am going to do Plouise on this side and then Anastasia on this side. It's an eye primer, not a base. I've been wanting to try this, so I want to give it a shot now to see if I am going to like this. And we're going to allow 60 seconds for it to dry. So 60 seconds for it to dry, and we're going to come back. I did blend this out the first time, but I went in with one more coat only because it was kind of sheer versus from the Plouise base. It's kind of thick, and I did put like 3 healthy dots on this one to make it a full, because y'all already know I go back in and apply my Plouise like double time. So one time, one layer, and then I go on with the second layer. Like you allow your concealer to dry a little bit to have that full coverage. That's what I'm trying to do for this side. So therefore already the Anastasia is kind of sheer, and you're gonna have to build it up. Looking down, I'm not looking at the camera because I don't want my bases to crease when I look up. My eyes are hooded. So I am allowing this base to dry for 60 seconds or to see if it does dry in that amount of time. Okay, so far both bases look good to me. I already know I always rock with the Plouise base, but this Anastasia is looking good too, and it's kind of light. I did put a dark concealer at the top so it won't be like light at the. I didn't conceal with the Anastasia. I don't like that that, I don't know, it's just, I don't like that white outline for the brows. This looks really good. It looked like it semi-dried. You like it semi-dried, no creases in it or anything like that. So I just want to see how this takes shadows. So we're going to see how this takes shadows. And my mic is about to die, and it's been on charging for like 24 or like 3 days. Like, I don't understand. I think my mic is defected, y'all. So I was going to try the new Juvias Place palette. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and follow me on all social media sites like Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook. I will leave everything in the description bar below. Also, go follow me on TikTok. I did make a TikTok, y'all. So if y'all want to see some funny videos, definitely go check that out. See you guys on the next one.